Video apa nih teman-teman? Kreatif banget ya.
If you think these people's life hacks are crazy, you won't believe the last one.
Jadi coba nih. Pun
تكنولوجيا
what?